Welcome back again. Well, just one quick things. I go ahead and do change something here. So instead of having test, I now have main layout, which is referring to my main layout here. So I just changing it. Once again, watch the other video. You'll know what I'm talking about. But anyway, long story short is the issue we're facing was we wanted this to be dynamic. Well, we can do that with Handlebar. We can actually from our server side or part of work, we can send data straight from our server side to our handlebar itself, which is very dynamic and cool things that we can do. So what I'm gonna do is over the index HTML index handlebar, I'm gonna go ahead here and to send some data, I just pass it an object and I'm gonna send something called title. And I want this one to be the home page. Cool. And now what I'm gonna do is in the default layout folder, whatever you guys have, I'm gonna go ahead inside the main.handlebar and here, wherever it has this value here, I'm gonna replace it with handlebar black expression. And I'm gonna just consume the title that is being sent down to my handlebar. So now this is going to be the title. And a dynamic title based on whatever I'm sending, from my route side of work. Anyway, long story short here's I'm sending the title to be homepage, and down here I'm gonna send the title to be something different, and I'm gonna send this one to be like about me page. And if I start my server with this time with node mode, should be able to see something much dynamic. And as you guys can see, this I'm on about me, and now you could see this is saying about me and this is saying homepage. So things are flowing with handlebars so far. Things are looking really good. Let's see, actually we can pass more values how we want to. For example, I can pass name, and I'm sending name down to my index.handlebar. So that means I can head over my index.handlebar here, and I can use this expression, and the way you use it is with two curly bracket and whatever value that is coming in. In this case, this is the value that's coming in. And we can send my name here and head over the index handlebar again, and the value that's coming in is equal to name. Cool. And now I can set up a paragraph and I can say my name is boom. And as you guys can see, here's my expression here. And this is how I'm sending my expression as name and give it the value here. And if I go again, refresh that, and I believe that was on the index, which is the home page. And as you guys can see now, it's saying my name is Sterling, and I can kind of set as many value as I want. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of break these lines out. Just kind of break this one on a new line. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. This is now on a new line. For you guys to not have any confusion, let's just go ahead and do that. Cool. Then now on new line. All right, and as you guys can see, you can send as many data as you want. You can even send your age, which my age is 5, and go back to the index because that's where we are sending those data, and head over the index and just do I am and then expression, which is to bracket, and what is it coming in? What's coming in something called age, and I can go back over my index.handlebar and I just can do age and so on, right? And different thing, we can send some to down for the about page, and we can send something like description. So think about things you can do. It's technically unlimited of things that you can do with it. And I can just go ahead and kind of add a description. I can copy the same thing, just added a very tiny little description here. There you go. I'm sending description down the about handlebar, which is this one. So here I can kind of come here and I can say about, or I can just say description, and then we save this element as a black expression here. So what was it again? It was title, and then I can kind of pass title here. Oh no, it wasn't title. Let's check it out. It was description. Cool. And we can kind of pass description here, description like this. And now if we go back again to about, we should be pulling out the information that's coming in. And as you guys can see, description, and here's the value that we sent. So the bottom line is you can send as many value as you want from your server side straight to your Express Handlebar things, right? Well, what if you were sending a value saying is completed, like you wanted something to be completed, and based on if it's completed or not, you want to do some sort of logic, some sort of, if this is complete, then show this, or if this is not complete, then show them something else. Of course, you can output this value. We're sending this one in index. Head over in index, and then we can receive this value, which is incomplete. And of course, if we go back over the index, you can see something like this. It's false. But what if you can do some logic inside your handlebar with this logic and say, if this is completed, then I would like to show my age, or if this is not completed, then I would not show my age. Well, the bottom line is yes, you can, and we're gonna try to do this in the next video.